The enormous German automakers are skipping car exhibitions departed and right. In any case, they all have a great deal of real makes a big appearance coming up, including this all-new BMW 3 Series sedan. A part of work has gone into the improvement of this well-known conservative official auto. There's been no lack of locating, however none is uncovering as this. Just a thin layer of high-contrast wrap covers the auto, like what we've seen on the X7. All the real outline points of interest are unmistakably noticeable, including the terrifically essential lighting components. The recently revealed front end of the 3 Series has a couple of highlights from the later 8 Series show, which is a touch of shocking. For instance, those little triangular components at the edges of the guard. Keep in mind, this is a customary trim line we're managing. The grille is of the wide and low assortment, while the little score at the base of the headlights helps us to remember the Peugeot 508 vehicle. While most producers conceal their radar framework under a curiously large focal identification, Renault, Mercedes, and Volkswagen, BMW can't do that. The fashioners have chosen to make a little component out of it by giving it a trapezoidal shape. In light of the car stage, the 3 Series will grow a smidgen in estimate, while decreasing its weight up to 40 kilograms, 88 pounds. The motor range ought to be practically indistinguishable to that of the X3, with wheels running from 163 for the 318i to 360 HP for the M340i, perhaps somewhat more. Most clients will settle on the new 8-speed auto alternative, yet a manual should even now be accessible. What's more, of course, xDrive will be accessible nearly over the range. While the 3er is booked to make a big appearance in the not-so-distant future, AM3 execution display is now putting in the work required for a 2019 presentation. Bits I've gossip propose it could have minimal crossbreed help to get the 3-liter twin turbo delivering 500 HP easily.